Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We are going to solve for the value of x from this exponential equation, and the given equation is what? 20 raised to the power of 27 to power x, all raised to the power of 27 to power x is equal to 20 to the power of 9 to the power of 3. To solve for the value of x from this equation, the first thing we need to recall is power property of indices. Recall that when we have a raised to the power of x, all raised to the power of y, if you look at this expression, it's in this form, the left hand side of this equation. This can be simplified as what? A raised to the power of, then we multiply the two power together. X multiplied by y is going to give us xy. So this is the property we are going to apply to the left hand side of this equation. So that when we write this 20, then we multiply the two power. So we are going to have 20, then raised to the power of multiplication of these two power. Recall that when you are multiplying two exponential expression with the same base, what you are going to do is to write one of the base, then you add the power. So what I mean is this: when we are multiplying a to the power of x multiplied by a raised to the power of y, as you can see, the bases are the same. All we need to do is to write one of the base, then we add the two power. So the first power is x plus the second power, which is y. So this is the second property we are going to apply to the power. So the first property is power property, while the second property is multiplication property of indices. So applying this property, 27 is the same. So we write one of the 27, then we add the power. X plus x is going to give us 2x. All will be equal to 20 raised to the power of 9 to the power of 3. Now, what do you notice in our new equation? 20, the bases are the same. And when the basis is the same, we can just cancel out the base, then we equate the power. So the first power is what? 27 to the power of 2x, which is equal to the second power, which is 9 to the power of 3. Now from here, we can go ahead and try to make the base to be the same. 27 can also be written as 3 to the power of 3 in index form, because when you multiply 3 by itself 3 times, it's going to give us 27. Then all raised to the power of this 2x, which is equal to 9 is the same as 3 to the power of 2, because 3 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 9. Then all raised to the power of 3. Now the next thing is to apply this property again. This property will make us to multiply the two power together. So this is going to be what? 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 2x is going to give us 6x, which is equal to 3. Then 2 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 2x. What do you notice again? We have the same basis. So we can cancel out the base, then we equate the exponent. So the first exponent is 6x, which is equal to the second exponent, which is 6. Now the next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Remember, we are looking for the value of x. So we divide the left hand side by 6, also the right hand side by 6. So this 6 is going to cancel this 6. X now will be equal to 6 divided by 6 is the same as 1. So therefore, 1 is the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more videos like this. Thanks.